In this video, I'll be showing you the steps to use to make a budget closet. So without wasting any time, let's start by searching some of cool designs we can find. There's no better place to find those designs rather than Pinterest. So the first thing, we are going to go to the Pinterest and look some couple of designs and choose the best one. So I kind of liked the look of this one, so I decided to go with it. And I'm trying to look at who made the design, but I could not find the name. So anyways, thanks for the design. We are going to be using your inspiration. So when I say it is a budget build, it means that it uses very less material compared to the standard method. As you can see, this design cannot be built on shop and then be moved. This is on-site build. You will have to build this one inside the closet. So this is a walk-in closet, and I'm gonna be showing you the steps that we use to help homeowners or cabinet shops to build these kind of designs or cabinets in faster and also in most time efficient way. Remember guys, this is what we do. We make shop drawings and also DIY construction plans. So without wasting any time, I will just start by jumping right in to the design software which I'll be using, which is SketchUp. And for example, if this was your design, the first thing that we'll be doing will be getting the measurement. You will be sending us your measurement and maybe an inspiration image. And now we'll be showing you how we help you do that, how we can minimize the hassle of designing, finding the cut list and whatnot. So enjoy. So the first thing that I'm doing here, as you can see, is the usual, which is referencing the images, finding the appropriate dimensions, and then starting the modeling. So on this closet, I will not be making the toe kick or the base frame. I assume that one will be built on site using solid wood. So I'll just be making the boxes. Another way that you can build this cabinet in a most efficient or time efficient method is with our files. You can outsource all the files to a CNC shop. Remember, those shops have CNC machines, so we'll be sending you the DXA files that they can use. That's why I'm very detailed when I am modeling. That's why you see me including the holes in every place that the CNC machine can drill, so that when you get the files from the CNC shop or from any workshop, the files are ready to be built. On this cabinet, I decided to use the stretchers between the drawers because The way this design is, it is very budget, so unless you include those stretchers, the whole design will be weak, and this one cannot resort to a weak project, so something that can break easily. So this cabinet does not have the back panel. The only thing that you have there is the wall, so you are going to be attaching these closets to the wall directly. Another way to cut the cost of the build is to avoid any unnecessary usage of material, so you have the less material as possible. So right now I'm adding extra holes for the connection to save you time in case you decide to outsource this to a CNC shop to make the cuts, and then you can just go ahead and carry them and go and assemble them in your house. Right now I'm making the scenes for the shop drawings or the construction plans, and also I'm making the production files to include the cut list, the cutting diagram in case you decide to use a table saw or a handsaw, and also the CNC DXL files. All these files contains the edge, shows the edges which you will be needed to apply the edge bandings. So you don't worry about which side is the front, which side is the back. All those details will be provided. So just jump in and start importing the scenes to the layout software and making extra scenes that I believe will be important. Then after that I'll just go ahead and add the dimensions. I know this kind of process usually takes a lot of time, and most of the companies that do these kind of things, these technical drawings, these millwork drawings, all the shop drawings, construction plans, whatever, they are usually very expensive, and that's why many people shy away. But don't be afraid, we are very affordable. For example, we can charge starting as low as $50 for such kind of small project like these closets. So in case you have anything, send me a personal email through my email, joseph@finelinemillworkdrawings.com, or visit our website to see more of what we do and also of some of our reviews from our clients, and you'll be amazed. So I hope you guys will get in touch, share with us any project that we can help you, and we will just offload work, extra work from you, and you can focus more on other more productive things. So case you need any drafting, get in touch with us. This is what we do, and we are very friendly. We will be able to do revisions with you. We will jump to video calls. The process will be very fast. So don't hesitate, just send us an email or leave a comment below if you have some inquiries that you think everybody else can be having. So not personal thing, you can just leave it in the comments. On the shop drawings, I usually like to add additional notes, like this is adjustable shelf, this is where you need to add the hanging bar, this is type of joinery you need here, this is the dimension you did between the spaces. So every small detail that I believe it is important, I do include those ones just to make it a little bit easier. But if you are a CNC shop or established cabinet shop, you don't need this extra detail, because already the files that I'll be sending you will be enough. The only thing you'll be needing is just minimal dimensions and assembly. So, but because this one is a do-it-yourself plans, that's why I included all the details to make it a little bit clearer for everybody who is building the project. Again guys, if you like this kind of content, please give us a like. This will help us to spread our messages to all people, to many people. A subscription will be very appreciated. After making the shop drawings, the next thing that I will just do is to export them in a printable PDF, and then very carefully go over the drawings again and again to confirm every detail is included, and to avoid sending any missed details. In addition, we also provide the cutting list, because again, remember, this is a build that is made for DIYers to build it on their own. So, and also in case they decide to just assemble it, we will also send them the optimized DXF files. So we will finally zip the files together. Those are the cut list, the CNC files, the DXF files, the tables or cutting diagrams, and we will then just send them the zip file. Well, that is it for this one. Again guys, if you like, subscribe. If you like what we do and you may require these services, please send us an email. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next project.